This is a video about the Jaw Sweep Dynamic Jaws TQA. And for this test, we are going to use the A17 chamber. So start by removing both the chamber and its foam holder and placing them on the couch. We're going to leave the chamber in the foam holder, that way we can give it a little bit of stability. Feel free to go ahead and connect the chamber to the electrometer. And align the chamber to the green lasers. There is a little indentation running the length of the chamber, and I like to run my finger up and down the laser to make sure it is right on that indentation. And you'll notice I really didn't take the time to make sure that indentation is right across the top of my chamber, because it really doesn't matter. That indentation is just showing you that your chamber is straight. You don't have it crooked on the table. For both the vertical and the lateral alignment, I like to use a little hole in the front of the chamber. You'll see me getting the alignment close with the chamber outside of the bore, and then I will move it inside of the bore. Then I like to walk around to the other side and look and check the alignment. So that's what you want to see. You want to see that hole on the end of the chamber right in line with that cross made by the green lasers. And so we're going to need the TIMS computer for this. Wheel that out and connect that. Hopefully you will struggle a little less than I did attempting to connect to this computer. So we've got to plug the computer into power and connect it to the Tomo electrometer. We can then log into the computer, and we can open the Tomotherapy electrometer measurement system software. In the software, we want to hit Control and Initialize Electrometer. And once our electrometer has successfully initialized, we want to change the bias voltage to -300 and click Sample. After we sample for a few seconds, we can close out of that, and we don't have to save it. We don't need that anymore. And then we can then zero our electrometer. After our electrometer has successfully zeroed, we can pull up the procedure that we need. So we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and pull up the Jaw Sweep TQA. We can generate a new QA procedure if need be, and we can prepare the calibration and head inside the room. Inside the room, we can main ready S the machine, and the chamber will move into the bore. Back outside, click Sample to start the measurement. And on the machine, go ahead and turn the key and beam on. You will then start to see a signal. And this test takes quite some time to run. I think it's around 11 minutes or so. And so this one has a lot of time just sitting here watching this signal get created. And then when you're done, it should look something like this. So go ahead and save that to a USB drive and name it whatever you want. Name it something recognizable. And then with that USB drive, move over to the Tomo OS and plug the USB drive in. Log into the TQA software and click Manual Run. Select the Jaw Sweep Dynamic Jaws and click Browse. Find the file that you saved onto your USB drive and click Open. When you hit Submit, it will create the report for you, and go ahead and click on that up at the top and you can view your results. And that is it for this video.